Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made an Eid letter cake for Eid this year. So pretty much you're going to see the process of how my sister and I made this cake. For my birthday just last month, I did make a number cake and that was a huge hit. You guys loved that video, so I thought I would do another one just like that for you guys. So yeah, pretty much the concept of this cake is exactly the same, and of course details on the recipes that I used as well as the letters and stencils and all the details will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, so I'm first starting off by cutting out my letters that I'm going to be using for the cake. So I've already cut out the E, I'm in the process of cutting out the I, and then I'm going to cut out the D. And pretty much these letters are all 22 centimeters by 17 centimeters, and the board size, I'll have it linked down below in the description of how big it is. But pretty much this is what I'm doing first, so that once I make my cake, I can use these as stencils and cut out the cake accordingly. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, if you want to see more baking videos from me, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.